It's Chris Hansen. It's 5:10 a.m. It's the 16th of June, and I'm going through severe psychotronic microwave torture right now. It's causing severe neurological problems. It's got my legs flopping and everything else. It's coming from across the sky from the west. I want you kids to quit it. He can't handle this neurological stuff. I want to keep him alive to see his mother off. His dad collapsed from neurological stuff. I want you to slow down on him. That's what it's saying from across the sky. It's 5:10 a.m. right now, the 16th of June.